If you look on your insurance policy and you have a policy that was written in the state of Florida, you have what's called PIP, or personal injury protection. Personal injury protection provides $10,000 of medical coverage, and it pays at 80%. So that means if you go to the doctor and the doctor bills you $100, your PIP insurance would pay the first $80 of that. Now, your PIP insurance also covers things like lost wages and help around your house. It covers lost wages at 60%, and it covers if you were to have to hire somebody to cut your grass as a result of an accident and you used to cut your grass, your PIP would cover that too. Now, there's been a bunch of changes in the law. The PIP law has been overhauled, and these things take effect for 2013. Some things won't change, like the fact that PIP pays out regardless of fault. You can be in a 1-car accident, a 2-car accident, a 10-car pileup. It can be your fault. It can be someone else's fault. PIP pays regardless of fault. That's why it's typically referred to as no-fault insurance, or personal injury protection. It protects you regardless of whose fault it is, as long as you were in a car accident or some incident to a car. So some things that we usually don't think of as car accidents, but if you get hurt around your car. Now, the changes that should take place, or that will take place in January in 2013, are put PIP in a little different aspect. Now, when you used to be able to go to a chiropractor and get $10,000 worth of coverage, you only get $2,500 worth of coverage unless you've been diagnosed with an emergency condition. If you've been diagnosed with an emergency condition, your chiropractor can still treat you extra. You must go to a medical doctor, though, to get diagnosed with an emergency condition, and you must do that within a certain amount of time. There's lots of changes that have taken place in the PIP law, and the legislature has done this so that they can curb fraud. That is their whole reason for the major overhaul in the PIP law. Now, if you have more questions about the PIP law, please contact me at www.fendersonandhampton.com, or you can reach me at 866-990-4LAW. That's 866-990-4529. And we can answer any questions you have about the upcoming PIP legislation or your current PIP and how it pertains to any accidents that you may have had.